In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Microsoft Outlook account name. Changing your account name in Microsoft Outlook is a simple way to update how your name appears when you send emails. This is especially useful if you want a more professional display name or need to correct any mistakes. The good news is that you can do this directly within Outlook in just a few steps. To begin, open your Microsoft Outlook application on your computer. Once it has fully loaded and you can see your inbox, look toward the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will take you to the main settings area where you can manage your accounts and preferences. Inside the File menu, make sure you are in the Info section. From there, click on Account Settings, and then select Account Settings again from the drop-down menu. A new window will appear, showing a list of all the email accounts currently connected to your Outlook. In the Account Settings window, choose the email account for which you want to change the display name. Once selected, click on the Change option. This will open another window where you can edit the details of your account. Look for the field labeled Your Name. This is the name that recipients will see when they receive emails from you. Simply delete the existing name and type in the new name you want to use. Make sure it is spelled correctly and formatted the way you prefer, as this will be visible to others. After updating your name, click Next to proceed. Outlook will take a moment to process the change and may perform a quick test to confirm that everything is working properly. Once the process is complete, click Finish, and then close the Account Settings window. Your new display name is now updated. From this point on, any emails you send will show the new name you have set. If you don't see the change immediately, try restarting Outlook to refresh the application. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.